Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My project for today's video is this home night lamp. Now let's create. First to the sketchbook to figure out all the dimensions. For this one I have to make multiple molds, and I made molds multiple times because I keep forgetting common details. I'll explain what mistakes I made in a moment. So these tiny cube molds you see here are for windows in this project, and I filled these with hot glue. These came out perfect, but next couple of molds I forgot to line them or to protect these paper card molds with sellotape to make them waterproof, and here I assembled all the molds unaware of it. So I sandwiched these hot glue windows in between the molds and all ready to pour plaster mixture. But that obviously didn't go well because paper molds melted. So finally I realized what I did, or I should say what I didn't do, and made final molds out of plastic sheet and poured plaster in it. This time the cast was perfect. Once this was completely dried, I spray painted it with white as a base color. Here I made frames for all the windows and doors with blue paper and butter paper. Now it was time to paint the home, and I chose to do those blue porcelain design on this one. In the end I assembled the home with the base with LED light strip on it and paper window frames. And that's how I made our today's project. Hope you liked it. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube account. You can also check out my work at Instagram at CreativeHeadHM. I will see you soon. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.